We got bird pooped.
That Kim has made a decision to give up this new
Bird pooped.
I think what's going to be important here is that we
Wow, that bird had to really go.
broad framework for
I think I showed you guys on the vlog on the trip that my luggage got tore up. So I'm out looking for some luggage today. I'm going over to Ross Dress for Less. Not Ross's. Who says, people say that. I'm going to Ross's Dress for Less. No, it's Ross Dress for Less. That's where I'm going. And I'm going to see about suitcases. Because I've got them here before and they've done well, good prices. So let's go see. It's nice, but it's not big enough. I like the color. That might be. While trying to decide on which luggage, I like this one. I like the industrial look about it. Right size. But while trying to make up my mind, I walked over and I saw a couple pairs of shoes that I like. So now I gotta decide. One, two, both. Which suitcase? I hate decisions. I hate them. I got the new luggage. I went with the industrial looking one. And I ended up buying both pairs of shoes because I found something that fit me. Got to. Sup guys, yeah, I put a new flag on the back deck. I was gonna put it on the front of the house, but then I decided it wasn't fancy enough to put on the front of the house, so I'm gonna get another flag. So I just hung it out here on the back deck. So we'll be flying them on both sides of the house.
Yeah.
Got the new flag up, and so now it's time to switch over to the new suitcase because it's trash day, and if I can get this done, I can get it out into the trash and get the old suitcase hauled away.
Let's begin this process.
I hate doing stuff like this. I don't know what to keep and throw away. That suitcase has been going just the way it is, basically staying packed, just switching stuff back and forth. Dirty in, clean, dirty out, clean in. Ooh. And so there's just stuff in there that I don't know what I should keep and not. I'm just going to switch the whole thing. I think I'm just going to switch it and figure it out later. Sometimes I wonder, what's wrong with me? I got sidetracked today. I was outside working on the pond. I have a pond back there with some fish, and I needed to treat the water and get the waterfall going to circulate the chemicals. So I'm out there working on that, and I decided to come back in and get a cup of coffee before I go to the gym. I thought, well, while I have the coffee, I'll do my little video chat thing I do called a hot cup of common sense. So I sat there and I did that for 30 minutes. And then Janet reminded me, hey, how was the gym? Ooh, I got to go to the gym. So I woofed down a couple of her turkey meatballs that she made and left for me in the freezer. Well, as I'm about to pull out to go to the gym, got my workout stuff on, I get my alert that I'm supposed to go meet my friends, Michael Florwax and my accountant, Jay, for lunch. I totally forgot. I don't know why I do stuff like that. I even have a calendar. I don't know if is that on the calendar? I don't know if that's on that calendar. It's on my phone, but that's what I got alerted that I have lunch. So I have to go to lunch and then I'll go to the gym. I wouldn't change clothes, but I'm taking this with me so I can go work out after lunch. I don't know. Anybody else like this? Anybody else kind of this spacey? It has to be the espresso. I'm blaming it all on the espresso. It's all your fault, espresso. Where are we?
We're in Blackhawk,
Why?
Colorado.
Why?
Because your son is turning 30. asked.
Wow. Yeah.
You
Yeah.
edit that out?
Yeah. Nope. I guess I'll just leave that in.
You asked why we were here.
I thought you just say because it's your son's birthday.
Oh, details.
Chick answers. Details. Anyway, so yeah, we're up here at the Isle Casino in Black Hawk for the buffet and some gambling, and hopefully they have Kronos.
Someone got the couch. Birthday boy.
Yeah.
Mrs. Birthday boy. This is.
She just
Oh,
said
that's your.
birthday.
Watch yours is.
Mine was last week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Well, I knew we were combining, but I thought that was the concert ticket.
Yeah, concert.
So
Well, for me,
I'm
I'm
confused. I'm confused.
This is for both.
We didn't
I'm
get
so
cards.
confused. I live confused.
You're so lame.
Do you have some?
Oh, sushi station. That looks like it's got the good sauce on it too. What?
What?
Nothing.
I didn't say anything.
That's quite the odd mix. Sushi, kielbasa, curry
Also,
rice,
crab legs.
sriracha chicken wings. Did you get the sriracha chicken wings? Oh yeah. Are they good?
Yeah, they're really good.
Okay, good. And then you got
The sushi's
you got
really good.
shrimp, Mexican,
Meat
rice.
and cheese.
and sushi.
She has an eclectic plate.
What'd you get?
I got sushi and sriracha chicken wings and fried rice.
And the devastation of what of the table. And now it's time to gamble. Janet's going old school, actually putting coins in the machine. After forcing me to do 2 hours at the gym and almost dying of heat stroke, she is now forcing me to go to Target.
I'm evil. Evil, I say.
What are we here for?
Gift wrap.
Gift wrap.
We're going to a birthday party tonight.
Oh, that's right. Woo!
Party monster right here.
Yeah. Party starts at 6. I have to be in bed by 8.
You're
My hair
crazy.
looks a mess. What happened?
It is. So does mine. We got our gym butt kicked.
I'm red. I got look at my hand to my face. See, I got red.
Yeah, you did.
I got hot, really hot.
I bet you're getting hotter as we sit here in this car.
Oh, I know. Why aren't we getting out?
Because we're vloggy.
Oh, that's right.
But I've always gotten into the habit of not assuming that something is going to go as it's supposed to. So
Uh-huh.
until they actually stop it. Until they actually show up.
Butterfly, do you have your sexy attire? The gym, it wore me out. Just wore me out.
I always flip my hair when I start vlogging. Have you noticed that? It's a drinking game. Hi, it's Saturday. We are driving. We're going to a friend's house for a birthday party. But
Hi, Ashley.
hi, Ashley, happy birthday. On the way, I wanted to go check out my work site because yesterday, which was Friday, we were working, doing our work thing. It was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and all of a sudden, we noticed there's this grass fire across the street. And if you notice, see, there's not a lot out here. We're driving to my job. this is my commute. It's pretty chill. But there's a lot of fields out here. So there was a big grass fire, and we found out that the local fire department was addressing it, and we were good. Then about 3:45, I'm sitting at my desk, finishing up some work, and we get an email. evacuation required, must be out of the office by 4 p.m. So I'm like, sweet, it's a beautiful Friday. We had things to do, so bye.
But they want you out because the building's gonna blow up.
Right. I work for a company that makes and distributes explosives, so it's a legit concern. So I wanted to, on our way to my friend Ashley's house, I wanted to make a detour to my work to see what the destruction looks like. But the nice thing is, there's no smoke. Yesterday, when I was leaving work, coming the opposite direction that we're going now, this blue sky was full of like some dark smoke. So that's a good sign. This is my commute every day. It's pretty sweet. Gotta watch out for the antelope
You see wildlife
and
out
the
here.
deer.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the rattlesnakes. Eek. You see the black hills, the black mounds. That's where the fire was.
That's where you
That's
work.
the office.
So that's why they evacuated. But it seems that they got it pretty quickly, which is good.
You can show them where to go.
Yeah.
So let's start first.
And what's
Yes,
nice
that's
now
a
is
good
it's so
idea.
slow, you kind of just.
Steve, the brakes on the left.
Okay. Make sure you use it.
Oh, babe. Sean, babe, be careful.
Just pull.
Yep. Be careful, okay?
Waiting on Steve to return from his little bike adventure. Like, little bike. It's a little bike. It's a big adventure. But there's a great sunset here in Colorado. Look at that. We are so blessed. I mean, Colorado sucks. Don't move here because we have enough people. The capacity has been reached. We made it back in one piece!
Yeah, much faster. And then when the sign hit me with the
The red and blue?
slow down.
Oh, you're doing over 40.
Yeah.
You have to be doing over 40 to get the red and
Yeah,
blue.
because it was. Oh man,
Did you have fun?
that was so much fun. The vibration, I'm not used to.
Yeah.
So-
And the seat and the handles, you know, they're both. I mean,
just-
just shaking like a wild for sure.
like a wild. See what happens when she mixes Malibu with Jello shots? Oh. Bye.